Yeah, forget how.
We ask every guest on our podcast that question.
Really?
Every single one.
Why?
Oh, do I look like I'm on the lift too?
Think about them.
Yeah.
It's because we're split in two. Because half of us are, half of us aren't.
Yeah.
So they're always the tiebreaker.
Anthony, circumcised.
Hey, say it how it is. They're not whole.
Yeah.
They're not whole.
What if I'm like really small?
Yeah. Me and Ludwig haven't been mutilated.
Wow, this is a great ride.
Isn't it? Why do they do it in America?
Ride.
Because they think it's
Yeah, I
funny
like
or
the
something?
ski trip. Thanks for taking me.
The historical reason
Thanks
is
for
there was
taking
a
me on
weird
the ski trip.
campaign.
Dude. Shall we?
Oh.
Shall we?
You want to hit that shit?
Dude, let's. Ooh. Dude, jumps chat. It's like a jumping
I don't know if
park.
I've definitely never done one that
Well, we didn't. You have to show them the little one.
big. You have not done one that
I've
big.
done one that big for sure.
Ludwig's gonna die.
For sure, many a times.
Oh,
and I
God.
didn't hit it hard enough, so I landed. Because you're supposed to go fast
Oh,
enough.
Jesus.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, my
If
God.
you don't commit, you'll really
Help.
hit hard.
Dude, some of these are huge. That one is huge.
That was.
That's gigantic. Yeah, we do the little one.
Yeah, the right side's not bad.
Yeah, there's little ones on the right side. We're not good enough.
Giga Chad Central.
You
Alright,
can
hold
still
up.
do
Check
that.
these guys.
So dumb.
Look.
Why am I so stupid?